In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring bills in Xero, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to set up a repeating invoice that automatically creates and, if you choose, emails out on a schedule, perfect for subscriptions, retainers, or any regular charge. Start by heading to the Xero login page, click Login, then enter your secure sign-in details and confirm. Once you land on your Xero dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. From here, open the sales area, then go to invoices. This is where you'll build a repeating invoice template that Xero will use to create future invoices automatically. Open the new invoice dropdown and choose new repeating invoice. You'll see a form designed for scheduling. Begin by setting the frequency, how often the invoice should repeat, such as every month or every quarter. Choose a start date, decide whether it ends after a certain number of times or continues until you stop it, and set when it's due, like immediately, a fixed number of days after the invoice date or on the 20th of the following month. Clear timing prevents late payments and confusion. Select the contact you'll be billing. If the contact isn't ready yet, make sure their details are complete later so emails send to the right place. Add your line items with descriptions that clearly explain what's being billed, enter quantities, unit prices, and the correct account codes and tax rates so your reporting and tax calculations stay accurate. You can add a reference or purchase order number and pick a branding theme if you use different layouts or payment terms. If you want Xero to email invoices automatically when they're created, enable the option to approve and send as part of the schedule. When you're happy with everything, click Save. Xero may prompt you to add the recipient email details if they're not already stored for the contact. Enter the email address where invoices should go and customize the message so the recipient understands what the invoice is for and how to pay. Avoid typing any sensitive information in the message body. Click Done to confirm. From now on, Xero will create each invoice based on the template on the dates you selected. You can review or pause the schedule anytime from your repeating invoices list. That's all it takes. Set it once and let Xero handle the routine work while you stay focused on your business.